First open Start and type Services. Open Services. Locate the Windows Update service. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup type select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Press Start the service. If your service is already enabled, press Restart the service. Now restart. If that didn't work, first open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Windows Update. Press Run the troubleshooter. Wait for the program to detect your Windows Update issues. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Notepad. Open your Notepad. Copy the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Paste the text into your notepad. Click on File. In Save As type select All Files. In file name type fix.bat. Press Save. Right-click your fix.bat file. Select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Type Y and then press Enter. Now restart. Now run Windows Update.